Alas, that was late and weak, sat heavily under yon thorn. I listened awhile for to hear, when thus she began for to mourn. When my dear shepherd was here, the birds did melodiously sing, and cold nipping winter did wear a face that resembled the spring. Saint Mary, as we trotted in, Saint Mary, as we trotted in, my poets like daybreak, when I think on the days we sing. But now he is far from my sight. Perhaps a deceiver may prove, which makes me lament day and night, that ever I granted my love. At eve, when the rest of the folk are merrily seated